So my wife was talking to her family the other day, and one of my in-laws told her that they just can't believe they're going to take away a woman's right to choose. This is a lady who voted for Trump twice. This is a lady whose fingerprints are all over these three judges. And still, the thought of how could this happen eludes her. I tried to warn her back in 2016 that this exact scenario was going to happen. And what did I get? An earful. An earful about how she's a victim because of her political beliefs. I mean, not much has changed, right? The thing is, my criticism had nothing to do with her political beliefs. It was knowing the Republican Party and knowing how they would use Trump. And now that she's actually a victim of laws, she just can't believe it. Now that owning the libs is no longer online or in a meme, and Matt Gaetz is literally deciding what's best for her body, it's too late. The limits of her ideology have been vaporized because, like most chuds, she doesn't have the capacity for critical thinking. These people who are celebrating the government controlling women's bodies are the exact same people who for the past 2 years have been playing victim because the government wanted them to put a piece of cloth on their face.
I've told Nancy Pelosi to kiss my mask a long time ago.
These 6 judges were all chosen by one group, the Federalist Society. They were all put in by presidents that never won the popular vote. And one of them's wife was at the insurrection that tried to overthrow our government. Why radical? This is a 70-30 issue. More than double the people in this country support a woman's right to choose than don't. This is settled law. Ultimately, I believe America is a failed state. I think she's knocked out on her feet. Between the propaganda, the personality cults from Trump to Elon, the stripping of rights now, and the unreadiness that we have for the future, I think any trace of American exceptionalism that was left over by the greatest generation has now been destroyed. The Republican Party has been a disease my entire life. They've chipped away at our government for as long as I can remember. And now I truly believe what I'm witnessing is this disease killing the host. I'm sorry this episode isn't funny. Chad the Chud.